23s on the car. You can be on the boulevard.
Hey guys, Honest Reviews here today, and we're going to be talking about this HP Color LaserJet M255DW printer. I've been using this printer for a little while now, and it was okay until it started printing black and white and making weird grinding noises. Now it doesn't even print. You can print and it'll spit the page, but it just grind, and no color on the page at all. On black and white. So it's a piece of junk. Now, this isn't the repair procedure that HP would want you to use, but this is my repair procedure. This is the good repair procedure. This is the repair procedure if you want a loser. So, I ain't no loser. We're going to start with the approved, non-approved repair procedure, even though this is the only repair procedure for a broken printer. I'm going to tell you that right now. Don't let them companies fool you with your junk. Ooh, it's making some noise. So that printer is looking pretty good. I wish you guys could see it. Now you can, it's getting down. We're gonna make this printer pretty freaking flat, guys. Ooh, the whole test frame's doing some funny tricks now. Okay, so the Africa could have eaten this printer. Pardon me. Oh, we're out of press travel. Well, the printer's looking pretty good, and it's still making some interesting noises. Let's let off some pressure and see where it goes. I don't know if we can get it any flatter. Now I'm going to readjust the press button and we're going to find out. And we're back with the printer. I was able to manage to fit it back into the plastic. Now we just got to do it some more. So here we go. HP printer's press test. Now this has quite a ways to go, so this printer is going to turn really flat here in a second. This is the only approved way to fix your printer, guys. Ooh, it's spitting chunks at me. HP printer compaction. Now we're making some interesting noises, guys. Alright, I think we're out of travel again. Let's lift it up and put a couple blocks in there. You're making that printer. Oh, the press. It's okay. It's just an eye. It won't matter. The printer is looking pretty flat though. I think we can get it flatter. Okay, here we go. I wish I knew where my shoulder handle went. Well, who needs that shoulder handle anyway? making some interesting popping sounds, guys. Okay, now that we're this far, we can begin fixing the printer. You gotta move your head down device first. That's the number one thing you need for fixing a printer. Well, I don't know. I think we need some other tools here. First we gotta get that out of the way, but we don't need that out of the way. Not with one of the three method things, so you take a carbon and you just need a bigger pry bar. See, we got it. That's how you fix your HP printer, guys. Because the printer really isn't that hard to get into. You know? The printers are pretty easy to nice and fix. If you know what you're doing. You should let her off the press. I don't think it makes some crazy noises when you do that. I'm gonna readjust and maybe press it down some more. I think we can go a little further with it. Get that out of here. Just lost a bunch of gears out of the printer. Yes, guys. Holy crap, let's get that screen. That's a pretty flat printer, my guy. That printer's flat. I think we just made a real compact HP printer, guys. Let's check it out. Oh! Wow, that thing just fell apart down here.